Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last videos, I was just finishing the background value here with value number 5, and you can see why it's important to fill the value number 5 with the background value, because then the other values are more clear, because the white of the background was making the face to look still more lighter here and there, but now the face looks more lighter and then more kind of obvious also because of the darker background color. But it's not very dark compared to the hair color, because that is what we see in the photo also. So don't try to make it too dark also. You need to establish the value range there, and that is how it is done. A bit softening the edges of the hairline which is touching the background, because then it will go more on the back side and then the things starts to come more towards you. This is value number 7 here. I'm making these values of the eyebrow a bit with value number 6, because it is more towards the lights, it is more close to the lights. So whatever is very close to the lights, in fact the shadows or the darker value also get lighter. Same thing, I'm painting the shadows with value number 7 here, or we can say value number 6 here. I'm not painting these values too dark. Now I'm putting value number 6 here. And you can see how I am kind of defining these values. First, the overall shadow was value number 7. Now I'm doing 6, So you have to change the different value system there to define this the three-dimensional form of the portrait here. Value number 5 here, and you can see the obvious differences in the values planes where I am coming towards the light. A bit making the sclera and the tear duct a bit more lighter and darker eventually. A bit value number 4 here. Now again value number 4 here. Now looking for value number 4 here also into the forehead area. See, that is what you have to break, the same thing which we did in the landscape painting. We are breaking the values by understanding the aerial perspective. Same thing in the portrait, you have to look for different values. If it's a very light skin tone, then all the other values will become too light. If it's a dark skin tone, the values will still go into the darker value. But that is how you have to break between different values and create that form there. Now I'm looking for value number 3 here. And a bit of 2 here. A bit of maybe 1 here. Just to getting those structure, with the planes. That is what I'm looking for here and defining the form here. Looking for a side plane of the nose, then also again into the eye socket here, also the lower section of the eyes. In this study, you will come to know how to really break different patterns of the values for the portraits, so that you can define the values there. A bit more lighter. Bird number 3 here in the lips. A bit of number, not 2 at all, because 2 will become too light. In the lower section again, number 5. And you can see how I kind of break the values and get the overall volume defined. Because see, in reality, all these things are kind of more softer and looking like a round form. But just to get the round form, you need to break that into different value system. And that is how you get the illusion of the form. And that is exactly what I'm doing. So here is value number 4 here. Since the overall skin color of this guy is a bit on the Asian skin tone, so it's not so light also, so don't try to make the values too light, because the skin color has to match the likeness of the model also, the values of the skin. If it's a dark model, then all the values will be more darker. If it's a very, very lighter skin tone Caucasian, then it can go a bit more lighter, a lot lighter than this. So, but everything depends upon the values, how light and how dark is something. But here everything has to be defined with the surround form also. From where the light is coming, how it's looking like a nice sense of a form. Painting at the cheek area, establishing a bit more lighter planes there. bit of plain structure there. A bit of the highlight there for now, and then I can fix it afterward. All these value system, the form has to be defined really well. In the ear also, just try to get one flat value, and then you can change the different values into that. A bit lightening some of the anti-helix and helix of the ear, and kind of a bit putting a more light into the concha of the ear, which is the center part of the round circular form inside the ear. But yeah, we are coming close to the study of this portrait here, where we learned about how to bring out the different values for the portrait, how to look for the one flat value for the overall shadow, for the hair, for the face in shadow, and then slowly kind of creating those different values for the lights starting from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's how you establish the different range of the values here. So guys, I hope you have learned something from this video, and I will see you guys in the next video with some other information. So bye everyone.